morning. I am Vasudevadu from Udupi. So I wanted to Mysore. So that's why I searched in the website where I could find out the DRS Group, Agarwal Packers, headed by Rishi Kumar. I could contact him at Mangalore. So he voluntarily obliged to send this through my DRS Group Road Lines Private Limited, Agarwal Packers and Movers, from Udupi to Mysore. That is a door-to-door deliveries. So on the day, that is of course 3rd February, I had an appointment with him. So they obliged to come over here at in the morning itself. At 7:30 they were here. So to my utmost, to my and my wife's utmost satisfaction, the packing was extremely good, and of course they are moving to Mysore with their road lines, and they have promised that it will be fully safe. The entire articles will be fully safe, and as per their agreements, they have to unload it tomorrow morning. And morning also, everything whatever has been picked up here, it will be in the same lines. It will be placed there with all, so to say, in the kitchen, bedroom, and everything. It will be placed like that only, unpacked there, and to our satisfaction, then only they will move from there. So thank you, Agarwal sir, Rishi Kumar and company.
Thank you, sir.
All the people, of course, they are very nice. Sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
शिफ्टिंग की टेंशन? नो टेंशन, बड़े भैया है ना। बड़े भैया मतलब अग्रवाल पैकर्स एंड मूवर्स, द ओरिजिनल फाउंडर कंपनी, DRS Group.